To the latest now in the Karen Reed murder case, a judge decided to postpone the March trial date in a hearing this afternoon. Reed is accused of killing her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe.
Investigative reporter Ted Daniel joining us now. Ted, you've covered every development in this case, and now this case kicked to April.
Yeah, Carrie and Mark, it's been delayed 5 weeks. The defense says they need even more time, though, to work on two important motions. One is a request to kick the Norfolk DA's office off the case. The other is to get the charges tossed altogether.
It wouldn't be a Karen Reed hearing without dozens of spectators and supporters. They cheered when she left the court and when she went in. Reed's attorney, Alan Jackson, says the U.S. Attorney for Mass recently turned over more than 3,000 pages of information from the federal investigation of the Reed case. Jackson wants more time to review the federal findings, which he says are crucial to Reed's request to disqualify the DA and dismiss her charges.
All of it is brand new, and all of it, Your Honor, appears to us to be exculpatory.
Jackson used the term exculpatory, which means favorable to Karen Reed.
We will be filing a motion for extraordinary governmental misconduct based on certain evidence that we've just received.
The prosecution says it's reviewed all of the evidence from the feds, and according to Assistant DA Laura McLaughlin, only a small percentage of it is new information.
I would say approximately 90% to 95% of the material that we've received is consistent with the Commonwealth's theory of the case. The evidence as a whole is very consistent with prior statements made by witnesses.
Reed and her attorneys declined to comment after the hearing.
So it looks like we'll get at least some insight into what the feds found. The U.S. Attorney's Office has agreed to allow both sides to discuss the findings in court. Reed's attorneys indicated today that they plan to question more people based on what they've learned from the federal probe. I'm investigative reporter Ted Daniel for your local station, Boston 25 News.